Hello family. So this song is dedicated to my cat Mary, who I buried in East River Park on Memorial Day in 2004, which would have killed her if she weren't dead already. Anyway, this song is for her. On your books, on your bed, on the pillow where you lay your head, starting here, starting now, Honey Mary's coughing up furballs. On your, can't remember the words, on your couch and your couch, on the steps and the stoop and the stash, with a and a splash, Honey Mary is coughing up furballs. She's been saving up the fur now for days to make a blazing comet of mucousy fur tangled vomit. She's a cat and she's hep, and you better watch where you step, 'cause it's gross and it's wet and it's coming, you bet. That furball that I talk about is due. Honey Mary is coughing erasers and dental floss. Mary is coughing up tinsel and tender chunks. Mary is coughing up furballs for me and for you. Now, my current kitty partner, Charlotte, well, she's not sure she likes that, but that's okay.